what are you doing today?
Well, tiny molecules that we can't see bring
Odors?
odors to us. How long would it take for molecules to travel across the room? Try this and see.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we have 1 bottle of cologne and we have 1 bottle of perfume. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the lids off of them and we're going to set the timer and we're going to see how long it takes with just setting it here open for it to reach both of our noses. Okay?
Can I have the perfume one?
We're going to try both because to make it fun, we're going to see which one we smell fastest. Okay?
Yes, probably going to be that one.
Are you ready? I'm going to unscrew the lid and you're going to hit the start button. Ready? Set. Set. No, we're going to do one at a time. Ready? Set. Go. It doesn't come all the way up. Ah, you win. Okay. Now, we're just going to set it there. I can smell it. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
All right, stop. So that took, because that's strong, so just loosening it, you can smell it. That one took 14.20 seconds.
Wow.
Wow. So that one is really strong.
That smells so amazing.
All right, so let's put the lid back on.
I wish you guys
and let's see if we can. It does smell. This is a really good smelling science experiment. There was a way to do laps. Okay, there's not. All right, so we're just gonna hit reset. And then get ready to hit start as soon as I loosen it, all right? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ah, I can't do it. Urgh. Please don't let me end up wearing it. Set. All right, go. All right. Let's set it right in the middle. Don't lean towards it. Lean back in your seat. Can you smell it?
Mm-mm.
Keep smelling. You smell it?
No.
You can't smell that.
No.
Okay, I can smell it.
Okay.
Now you smell it?
Yeah.
All right. The cologne took you 34 seconds. 34.18 seconds. So, which one did you smell first?
That one.
The perfume. So the perfume was stronger. I could smell it, but then like it would kind of go away and then I could smell it again and then it went away.
Yeah.
The cologne did. So I don't think the cologne is as strong. All right, so were you touching it?
No.
Could you see the smell? I mean, you can see the liquid inside here, right?
Yeah,
but could you see the smell coming to your nose?
No.
Did you taste it?
No.
Did you put it on your tongue?
No.
Did you listen to it? Could you hear the molecules going, I'm coming to your nose now? Did you hear the molecules do that?
No.
So, we can't use any of our other senses to smell the cologne, can we?
No.
So, what did you learn?
Okay. I learned about molecules.
And that we don't always see molecules, but does that mean that they're not there?
No.
Another thing to remember, did we actually spill this at all?
No.
We loosened the bottle and the smell filled the room. So molecules are all around us in the air too. Like smelly puppies. Smelly puppy molecules are in the air too. All right, what do you tell everybody for watching?
Thanks for watching. See you real soon.